Are you looking for a healthy and filling food that can help you lose weight? Look no further than oatmeal. Here are some tips on how to lose weight eating oatmeal. Avoid flavored or sweetened varieties, as they often contain added sugars and calories. Instead of using full-fat milk, use water or low-fat milk to prepare your oatmeal to reduce calorie intake. Top your oatmeal with fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey to add flavor and nutrition without adding excessive calories. Use measuring cups to measure the amount of oatmeal you are eating to ensure you are not overeating. Eating oatmeal for breakfast can help you stay full and reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Instead of reaching for high-calorie snacks like chips or candy, opt for a bowl of oatmeal to satisfy your hunger and reduce overall calorie intake. Oatmeal can be prepared in a variety of ways, so experiment with different recipes to find new ways to enjoy this nutritious food. Use oatmeal as a substitute for flour in recipes like pancakes or muffins to increase fiber and reduce overall calorie intake. Steel-cut and rolled oats are less processed than instant oats and contain more fiber and nutrients, which can help with weight loss. While oatmeal is a healthy food, it's important to be mindful of portion size to avoid overeating and consuming excess calories. Try incorporating oatmeal into your diet with these tips on how to lose weight eating oatmeal. With its high fiber and protein content, oatmeal can help you stay full and satisfied while also providing numerous health benefits. So, start your day with a bowl of oatmeal and watch the pounds melt away.